Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to study the last portion of the digestion and absorption of the fat digestion and nucleic acid. After that, one video is come, that is assimilation, and then the digestion and absorption is completed. Okay? So we come to the fat digestion. The location of the fat digestion is only in the duodenum portion. So the fat is broken in the simpler form. The fat is called large molecules is present in our food, then we take it. Okay? So then this fat is a large molecule. It will be broken down into a smaller piece or into a smaller molecule, that is called glycerol or fatty acid. So from here to here, some certain enzymes are inserted. So fat is broken down into, first fat is broken down into emulsified fat. Okay, emulsified fat. What is emulsification? We taught on our previous video. Okay, so check the previous video. What is emulsified fat? Emulsified means this is large molecules, okay, of fat, and this will be broken down into small pieces. This will be emulsified or emulsification, or this process is known as emulsification. This is a mechanical process. Okay. So the fat is broken down firstly into emulsified fat, and bile salts is working on the fat for broken down in the emulsified fat. Then this emulsified fat will come on the working of, or the pancreatic lipase is working, the enzyme is working at the pH of 8.6 to 8.8 on the emulsified fat, and this emulsified fat will be broken down into diglyceride fat and fatty acid, and this diglyceride fat and fatty acid is again comes to contact with a lipase. Lipase is another enzyme, is working on the fat digestion. So lipase work on the diglyceride fat or fatty acid, and again broken down into monoglyceride fat. This is diglyceride, this is monoglyceride. Here you saw that is emulsified fat, some groups of fat. Okay, here large molecules, then it will become a group of molecules, then it will become two molecules, then it will become in the form of one molecule, and then this monoglyceride fat, the last stage, this monoglyceride fat or fatty acid again comes in a contact with the lipase and broken down into the substrate of the fat, that is glycerol and fatty acid. So this is all about the fat digestion. Fat digestion is only takes place in the duodenum. Some rest of the amount is also in a stomach, but it is negligible. Okay, so now we come to the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid is present in our body in the two forms, that is DNA and RNA, deoxyribonucleic acid and ribonucleic acid. So here again the location of the nucleic acid digestion is duodenum. So directly we talk about the duodenum. Okay, so in the duodenum, here we written that the pancreatic juices, two types of pancreatic juices are released, that is deoxyribonuclease and ribonuclease. नाम से ही clear है, deoxyribonuclease, ribonuclease. Deoxy is represented for DNA, ribo is represented for RNA. So deoxyribonuclease is working on DNA. Deoxyribonuclease is the enzyme is working on a DNA to distribute it or to break it down into a deoxyribonucleotides, or RNA comes in the contact with the ribonuclease, and this ribonuclease is breaking down the RNA into ribonucleotides. Okay, so we talk about the other juice, that is pancreatic juice in the duodenum. Two types of juices are talking about here is, first one is the pancreatic juice, and second we talk about the intestinal juice. Now we come, what is the effect of intestinal juice on this nucleotides? Here nucleotides is come on the nucleotides. The enzyme is working here is nucleosidase, is working on the nucleotides and breaking down into the nucleosides and plus inorganic phosphate, and this nucleosides comes after the breaking of nucleotides by the nucleosidase enzyme, is again working with the nucleosides or gives us pentose sugar plus nitrogenous base, or here N2 base. What is nitrogenous base? Here you all know that purine and pyrimidine are the nitrogenous base. So this is all about the fat digestion, or we talk about the nucleic acid. So this is all about the digestion or absorption. Here one last further video is introduced with you, that is assimilation, and after that we will complete the digestion and absorption of the first chapter of digestive system. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.